Perfect. Perfect.
Hey my natural beauties, what's good? Welcome back to another video. Today's tutorial is featuring my natural hair, just this quick mohawk, and we're gonna jump right in. Okay guys, before we get started, I just want to get to a couple quick shout outs. My first shout out is Tandre Campbell. Next I want to go ahead and shout out my girl Not Yet the Smiths. She's a YouTuber. Go ahead and check out her channel. It's going to be in the description bar. Then I want to shout out Beyond the Vine, which is a local fruit business located right here in Jamaica. So all these links are going to be down in the description bar below. Remember, for a shout out, all you have to do is just drop me a comment and let me know that you want a shout out. Let's go. Okay, so today of course we're starting out on natural hair. This is going to be a quick, literally 5-minute hairstyle. Your hair does not have to be clean for this. It doesn't have to be detangled. It doesn't have to be like moisturized or anything like that. We're just going to jump right in. This is like a lazy day hairstyle. So your hair is basically going to be parted off into 3 sections: the back, the middle, and the top. So I'm just kind of combing through it so that it has some stretch. I'm using my Oshan, the same wax I always use for all my hairstyles, to kind of slick in the sides a little bit, and I'm brushing that in with a smoothing brush. So you're going to repeat this for all 3 sections of your head: the back, the middle, and the top. And you're just going to secure the section with a scrunchie. And just like that, the first section is complete. So I'm going to do the same thing to the middle section, which the middle section is literally, it has like a little bit of a swooping type of effect. So I'm just applying the wax to the sides and making sure that I smooth that down real nice. So I'm going to be brushing it in with the brush, literally repeating the very same steps. Now I like this style because it's a perfect lazy day fix for your natural hair. And if you just want to do something that's quick and something that's not too much hassle, it works out great, especially if you have a little length to your hair. Makes it even more fun. Okay, so this is my last section, and I'm using an elastic band for this top part because it's less hair. And after securing this down, I'm just going to fluff it out and also lay my edges, because this style is definitely not complete. No style is complete if your edges aren't laid. Okay, so after laying my edges, I'm just going to use a comb. You can use like a pick out the hair so that it's fluffy, like you fluff it out a little bit to kind of give it some volume. And that's basically it. Something quick, simple, totally easy, and definitely something that you can do like if you're a person who's on the go. If you made it to the end of this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video for more tutorials like this. Do not forget to follow all my socials at NaturallyMsToya, and also drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle and if you have ever tried it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful.